Alright people, so just before we get into this video, I'm going to show you a small clip of the shark itself that I cooked. It's not a video of it getting gutted and filleted and skinned and all that stuff, but it's just a video showing you the shark. So if you think that's going to offend you, then I would recommend you skip forward probably about 30 or 40 seconds. I'll tell you what, I'll figure out how far forward you need to skip. I'll post it in the comments for you. Okay. So yeah, this here is the shark. Now, you see the... Hold on a minute. You see the dorsal fin on the top here? Dogfish sharks don't have that. This is a step up from a dogfish. You see, it's quite some size. These are live bearers, and there is a lot of them in the sea at this time of year. So it doesn't matter if you want to take one home for your tea. But yeah, this is the shark you're about to see get cooked. I filleted these, I think it was 2 days ago. Or was it yesterday? It was one or the other. And I was gonna deep fry some of this, but I don't have any deep frying oil, and I don't have all the seasonings to make the Long John Silver batter. So earlier on, I just shallow fried, well, not even shallow fried, just regular fried it with some olive oil, and I don't even have any salt at the moment, so it was just pepper and this tajin seasoning. Still don't know if I'm pronouncing that word correctly, and it turned out really turned out really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna fry these with salt and pepper for my dad. These need cut up a little bit more, and we'll see what he thinks. Reg, you would like it, wouldn't you, pal? You just had your dinner, haven't you? You had tripe, don't you? You like tripe, don't you, pal? Tripe is cow's stomach. You're chasing the reflection, Reg. You're chasing the reflection, pal. He loves chasing that, doesn't he? You're chasing the reflection, pal. Okay, so here we go. Do you know what? I think I'm going to fry these little bits first, just to get them out of the way. So I only have olive oil, which is okay for, you know, frying something like with a little bit of oil. But for deep frying, you know, vegetable oil is the best, or canola oil. Might cut this one in half. These two will shrink when they cook. If you're wondering what this fruit is here, that is orange watermelon. Yes, orange watermelon. I wasn't aware that you could get orange watermelon until a few days ago when I bought it. I did know about yellow watermelon, which I'm not fond of. Red watermelon is absolutely delicious. Orange watermelon is absolutely delicious. It's more sweet than the red one, and it's more dense. You know how watermelon just basically like disintegrates? Well, not disintegrates, but you know what I mean. There's not much texture to it. This has got more of a texture of one of them yellow melons, not yellow watermelon, but yellow melon. You know the yellow melon, now it's quite more texture to it. Yeah, well, this is more like that, and it's more sweet. Okay, so there we go. And I'm gonna get my dad to do a taste test. Well, this is for him, so yeah. Okay, there we go. Smoothhound fillets. And let's see if my dad likes it. Yeah.
So is this that shark?
Yeah, it's Smoothhound. That was cooking up yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before?
Day before, I think.
Day before. It's alright, innit? I fried some earlier. I fried some earlier. I was going to deep fry it like I did with that dogfish, but there's no deep frying oil. So,
It just melts in your mouth there.
yeah, it's dead nice, isn't it?
Got the good all.
Hello, Reg!
That's my tea sorted.
Oh, nearly tripped over Reggie. Alright, people, so nearly tripped over the ball. Alright, people, so as always, I hope you're all okay wherever you are in the world. Hope you're all having a good day or a good night wherever you are in the world. And we'll see you in the next video, which I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. But yeah, peace out and take care. Peace.